Welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to cover the part of styles where already we have covered conditional formatting. In this part we are about to cover format as a table and cell styles. So let me write here, that is format as table and cell styles. So we have already covered clipboard, font, alignment and number, and still if you haven't watched all this video, you can just check out, link is given above. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Now as you can see here, I have already created the table. So this is the list of sites, total number of visit and new account which has been created, and the sales out of this sites. Now I just would like to change this table format. So as you can see here, format is table. So now once I'll select this entire table and I'll click on format as table. We do have various formats, for example light, medium and dark. So if I would like to select any dark format, so I can go with this and I will click OK. So this will be look like this. So now once it will be formatted, you can check here any format you can select which is good as per of your requirement. Now let's say I just would like to select this format which looks good to me. Once I'll select it, so this table will get changed as per of my table styles. Now in this table design, we have a certain option for header row or first column, last column. You can play with these functions and you can check it. Now summarize with the pivot table and remove duplicates if any. For an example, in this table we do have this duplicates, and if it is the same value, you can remove this. For example, let me check if there is any duplicate sites. So I just would like to check all this, and once I'll uncheck this one, and I just would like to go with the sites. So as you can see, it cut short all the values and only unique values reflecting. But so far I just would like to have these values because the visits, new account and sales are different. So here as you can see, once we have selected this one, now we are going to the format as table, and let's choose this one, the light one, and I think this one looks good to me. Now this is perfect. So now again we will go to the cell styles after selecting this table, and you can use anything from here. For example, I just would like to change the headers. So you just select the headers and go to the styles, and you can check any styles which is suitable to your table. Now I just want to have this one, but if you are not satisfied with the style, again you can change this. If you will come here, so now the font are in black color, so it's looking fine now. Now if you have any other formats which is suitable for your data, you can simply go to this format table and you can pick it. And still if you are not happy with this format, so you can play with this fill color or font color, or you can change this your table styles. For this video this is all, and if you have any other queries, any doubt, you can simply write on the comment section or you can email us. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on the another video with a different topic. Have a good day.